friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do personalized cups without using a Cricut, and also how to make your own stickers that you can put on cups, you can put on other things that you might have around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you how we get this done. I have personalized about 40 of these cups for our family reunion that we had this summer. I got these cups from Target, and they are beautiful, different colors like tropical. They came with straws, also matching lids. In addition to that, I personalized the cups. I use vinyl stickers to do the name. I got these from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for you. I use parchment paper to help make the sticker, as well as packing tape and some scissors. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And then once you have your design that you want to use, this was our logo for our family reunion. And I decided, instead of to leave it whole, since I was doing my own sticker, is to go ahead and cut it up and kind of cut around the edges of the name, kind of cut around the edges of the logo and make it separate. To me, it just helped it to look better. So whatever design you have and that you choose, just do what works best for you. To me, this worked better being 3 different stickers instead of being one. I just like the way that it looked and showed up when I tested it out on the cups. So I'm just cutting it around like a zigzag around the edges of Alexander, and then I'm gonna do not just a last name, but A and then legacy. And also, make sure you check out my new website, Esthersroyalpartydesigns.com. You get direct links to a lot of decorations for my party decorations videos. Then we're going to go ahead and get started making the sticker. And first, what you want to do is you want to get some parchment paper out. I was having trouble keeping it flat, so I just used the scissors to help hold it down. Now what you want to do is take your packing tape, and this is going to be the base of your sticker. You put it all the way across your parchment paper, and you just press it down firmly to make sure that it's secured to the parchment paper, and any bubbles or anything that you see, you just try to press them out to make sure that it's smooth. And now I'm going to take each of my stickers that I'm going to create and put them across the clear tape. I'm going to tape them individually instead of trying to do it all the way across. To me, that would be more difficult. So I'm just taking a piece of tape and I'm going to overlay the sticker with the clear tape. And again, you try to make it as neat as possible, push out any air bubbles, and as flat as you possibly can. And then I'm just going to do that for each of these stickers. And also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. Hey friends, and so now that is done, we're going to go ahead and get these cut out. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut similar to follow the way that I cut it out before I made it a sticker. Just so, however, instead of making it straight across, again, I kind of make it up, down to kind of give it an edgy look to the outer part of the sticker. But with your design, with your words, however you want to do it is completely up to you. This is a flexible craft, but also a fun project to do. But like I said, I just wanted to give mine a little shape and dimension, so I kind of cut it around in like a zigzag, circle-ish, ovalish way. And then I'm just showing you what it looks like. You see the wax paper on the back. I'm going to go ahead and get the other 2 cut out as well. Okay, and now we have these cut out. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid and the straw from the cup. And this is a really tricky part, but what you have to do is actually you have to separate the wax paper from the tape. So you might have to play with it for a little bit to get it pulled apart, but once you get it pulled, start pulling it apart, it pretty much just tears off pretty easily. And then you can see the back is sticky, around it is sticky, and so that's how you create the stickers with the wax paper. I'm sorry, that's how you create the stickers with the parchment paper and then with some packing tape. And then I'm just running my fingers across there really smoothly just to make sure I press it with a little pressure just to make sure that the sticker stays in place. I'm going to go ahead and peel the next one and do the same thing. Find where you want to put it. And as you see, it's sticky again on the back and ready to go. Find where you want to put it on your product and then go ahead, lay it down and press it down. And then we're going to go ahead and peel the parchment paper off the last one that says Legacy. And we're going to go ahead and put that on there too. And like I said, I love the look of this instead of having it all together. I love the look of it being separate. Now that we have that done, these are vinyl letters. They're waterproof that I did get from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description. And then I created all the names. I'm just using my name to show you how easy it is. You just peel the name off. And what I did do is I started putting the letters for the name on the cup. But as you see, I do not press them down yet, because a lot of the times I did make adjustments. I wanted them to be further apart. I wanted to move them over closer. I waited till I was absolutely sure of the placement of the stickers for the names until I pressed it down. And as you see, I measured the space between the sticker on the front and the cup to try to line it up as perfectly as I can. And because I didn't press it down all the way, I'm able to move around some of the stickers for my name. And it took me a while before I got it right, but I like to get stuff as close and straight as possible, especially doing it by hand. And once I made sure everything was in place with the letters for my name, I went ahead and pushed it down firmly. That's pretty much it. And that's how you design your own cups and make your own stickers without using the Cricut. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Check out some of my other crafts from my party decoration videos, and have a royal day.